Welcome to our in-depth comparison between TP-Link's Archer A7 and Archer GX90 routers. Let's break down their wireless security, hardware, and software features to help you decide which one suits your needs best. 1. Wireless. The Archer GX90 takes the lead with its cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 technology, offering lightning fast AX 6600 speeds and enhanced coverage for large homes. With 8 detachable high-performance antennas and advanced features like beamforming and ADMA, the GX90 delivers unparalleled wireless performance, making it ideal for bandwidth-intensive tasks and gaming. While the Archer A7 provides respectable at 1750 speeds and coverage suitable for medium-sized homes, the GX90 offers next-generation capabilities for demanding users. 2. Security. Both routers offer robust network security features such as spy firewall, access control, and VPN server support. However, the Archer GX90 goes a step further with TP-Link's HomeCare antivirus, malicious site checker, and port intrusion prevention, ensuring comprehensive protection against online threats. Additionally, the GX90 features advanced parental controls and game-centric security features like Game Protector, enhancing both online safety and gaming experience. 3. Hardware. The Archer GX90 is powered by a formidable 1.5 GZ quad-core CPU and features a 2.5 GB WAN port, offering superior processing power and high-speed connectivity. With additional Ethernet ports and USB support, the GX90 provides versatile connectivity options for various devices and peripherals. On the other hand, the Archer A7 features a Qualcomm CPU and a standard gigabit WAN port, suitable for basic networking needs. 4. Software. Both routers support IPv4 and IPv6 protocols, along with comprehensive management options through the Tether app and web interface. However, the Archer GX90 introduces game-specific features like Game Accelerator Queues, optimizing gaming streams for minimal latency, and Game Center for real-time game statistics and protection. Additionally, the GX90 offers HomeCare parental controls for customizable profiles and content filtering, ensuring a safe and enjoyable online experience for the whole family. In conclusion, while the Archer A7 offers solid performance and features for general home networking, the Archer GX90 stands out with its cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 technology, advanced security features, and game-centric functionalities, making it the ultimate choice for power users and gaming enthusiasts. Thank you for watching our comparison review. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay connected